Lyrics, Faro, what's good? Just getting started, all right. It's not bad, man. I'm chilling. How about you? Your lyrics, what's good? That's good, fam. Not complaining, man. Been busy all day. Wanted to start streaming earlier, but I caught up with some stuff, you know. All right. $25, $29. Hands are slipping. There's a plastic tape on this paper. My hands are slipping, man. Risky. Hamza. Let's get it. These are push-ups with tension. So it's not as easy as it looks. Triangle push-ups. Best results, man. Telling you. So today we're hoping to do a few thousand. Up. Let's use it this way. Oh, there we go. Up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. All right, so when we just joined our channel for the first time, we did 2,000 push-ups a few weeks ago, man. So if we could beat that today, would be definitely be a good achievement. So I'm just motivating the comments. Let's push to the limit. Hit that thumbs up, motivate. Let's go. Yep. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep burning. Over 15,000 push-ups to do today, man. No joke. Just getting started. Carter. That's good, that's good. Feel that pain. It should motivate you, man. Hey, you're doing something. Keep going. Do the push-ups with tension so I can feel the pain. And pressure my hands. Pressure them arms, you know? I don't like doing push-ups with speed, man. It's not about speed. If I'm trying to get that gain. Pressure. Arms are burning. That right there is a green light, not a red light. Keep going. Up. That's all we want to start. Yeah. Adam. That's good, that's good. Smash that thumbs up button to motivate. So we can hit over 20,000 push-ups today. Let's go. I'm doing triangle push-ups only because it's more, to me it takes more. Training, going straight to the Olympics. Let's get it. 20,000 push-ups gonna hit that Olympic, man. Crazy in the finals. Let's go. Yeah. You already know. Yeah. Regular push-ups too easy, man. So I wouldn't recommend them. If you need big arms, if you want to make it a more challenging, which is the more beneficial way, triangle push-ups or diamond. Regular push-ups, it's a waste of time, man. Waste of time. Don't do regular push-ups. Yeah. All right, let's switch for a minute. Got some parts here. Don't do regular push-ups, all right? Believe me. Useless. Big arms, you wanna get stronger? You wanna be Olympic? Do these. And we're doing over 20 plus thousand today, so let's get this. Up. Yep. Up. Feels so good, man. Wow. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Same to you, same to you. Do these, man. Do these. Yep, yep. Yeah. Don't do regular push-ups. Wasting your time. Triangular diamonds only. It's not about speed or numbers. Pressure. All about that pressure. Keep working. It's just the beginning. Yep. Up. Yep. Up. And so we go to work. Just the beginning. All right? Smash that thumbs up button. Don't do regular push-ups. No gym, no weights, no problem. Yep. You know what? No rest. Push yourself to the limit. Want to see results? That's how we're going to see results, right? Yeah. You already know. One more on this. Keep switching it up. Pure triangle push-ups in all different forms. No regular push-ups, all right? Yeah. Yeah, good work. 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 Gotta stay hydrated. It's no joke. Let's go to work. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Keep counting. Might as well we hit. We're gonna hit 30,000. Who knows? Keep moving, man. Want to see results? We can't play. It's not a game. Currently at a few hundred. Just getting started. We already over 300. We just started, so it's no playing. Who we got here today? Oh, yeah. Ain't no snakes here. No snakes here. For sure, this is Jamaica. Only got some wild, some smaller wild snakes that don't even attack people. They're always in the wild, searching for a cool area. Oh! Yeah. Work, man. Put in it if you need that. Yeah, man, I gotta. What are you waiting for, man? Get working again, man. To make it happen, man. Russia, I have no problem. I love everywhere, man. I love Russia. Good to have you here. Oh, yeah. Welcome, man. It's all work. So I love our motivation. Yeah. Philippines. I love. Lego Master. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's popping. Everyone, hit that thumbs up. So I'm gonna hit the first 1,000. We're just getting started. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Big ups and respect to all. To you all, man. Russia, Philippines. Let's go. Over a few thousand. The thing is, we only do only on Sundays. We try to hit. We try to do a few thousand push-ups at Sundays. During the week, we mix it up. We lift weights and we push-ups. Smash that thumbs up button if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. Let's go. What I'm doing, man, I've been doing this for over 7 years now. It's been ups and downs, man. It's been struggles, but not struggle with my discipline though. I take my discipline serious. But what I'm doing, I'm doing push-up, hit my chest and my arms. So what I'm doing right here is no bench press or nothing. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing right here is hitting my triceps. I'm doing triangle push-ups, and I'm using the same form on the black height. If you work out outside much, then you will understand. This that I'm doing right here is hitting my triceps and my chest at the same time. Even my back. And when I'm doing this, I try to do over 2,000 and more. So if you watch my live streams, trust me, you're gonna know that. There's nothing new. It's not all about speed or numbers. It's just the pressure, focus, the form. You see the form? Tricep and chest. You wanna get big arms at home? Do these. You don't got any weights? No gym? Do these. Trust me. Cam Medical. You already know, man. Cyrax. Yeah, for real. Do you live in Jamaica? Where do you live in Jamaica? Over 600 and going. Yep. Is that San Antonio, US, Texas? Hell yeah, man. Welcome. Good to have you here. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that thumbs up button, y'all. Let's get it. Thought of being abroad. On a vacation, that's the only thought, yeah. Oh, you say you used to do 100 push-ups a week. But now starting today you're doing 100 a day? Yeah, bro, trust me. Just try to raise that number, man. For real. Raise that number, you know, daily. And hit it, man. That's how you're gonna get them gains, you know? Yeah. Gonna be a journey. Yeah, man. Appreciate the journey. Takes time, effort, mindset, discipline, and work. Respect. Respect Africa. I'm in Jamaica, man. Jamaica is in the Caribbean. Work. Yeah. Oh, God. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Let's get it. Nicholas, what's good? Works never stop, Nicholas. You already know, man. It's here to motivate. Share my journey with you all, man. Sharing the journey. Rice and peas, chicken, mutton, pork, yam, dumpling, banana, plantain, cornmeal porridge, oats porridge, beans, peas. Already over 700. Yes, I said pork. Yes, I said pork. Pork, for real. Most YouTubers will just tell you what they feel like, or hide the truth from you, or the formulas. But I'm just being straightforward, man. Only thing you're gonna get over here is the truth. Stay natural. Oh, God, yeah. Life is a lesson, DMX. For real. Working out again. Your mini, what's good, fam? You're the good work. Appreciate you, man. I already know, man. Floor push-ups are good for. Still building muscle. I don't do regular push-ups, man. I always tell my viewers, strictly triangle push-ups. Big arms. If you want chest, I don't do bench press. I don't got a gym, so I got no one here to spot. So strictly push-ups for me. Triangle push-ups only. When I want to focus on my chest, I do a close one. When I want to focus on my tricep, and also the chest barely, but mainly triceps, wide. Yep. Yeah. Was the Kistan? Kistan? I don't know if I pronounced that right. Kazakhstan. Recommendations for a low back workout. I don't do deadlifts. So this is what I do for my lower back. Lower back, I do this, or I do this. To target the lower back. All right. Whoop. Almost 1,000 already, right? Yep. Yep. Oh. Mark Corian. Take care, man. How much can I bench press? I have no idea, man. As I said, this is all I got. I got no one here to spot. I work out solos. I don't do bench press. I only do triangle push-ups and dips and strap weight to my body. So I don't do bench press, man. Some people ask me how I get chest like this. It's strictly push-ups and dips. Ah. Over 800. Let's get this cash. Oh yeah. From Jamaica. From Jamaica in the Caribbean. Right now you don't need any weight vest because as long as you're doing a few thousand push-ups, you just need to keep going, man. It's already getting harder. Don't need any that added weight to your body. Unless you're doing maybe just 100 or 200 push-ups. But I'm doing a few thousand push-ups, so I don't need that, bro. This is already intense. Yeah. What's the difference between strength and strong? Yo, what? Alright, let's get this 900 real quick. Keep burning cash. Let's go. White gap triangles. Yep. $70. Let's get this 900. Hit that 1,000. And keep going. My endurance. Okay, okay. Serax, good one. That's a good one. $90. Early 900. Pretty early. Unfortunately. Can't do that at all. Unfortunately. Yo, Adam. All right, let's hit another 100. Get that 1,000 and keep moving. All right, let's do 50 flat. Oh, oh. All right. 25. 29. 30. Oh. Limit on muscle gains, I don't know. You're gonna have to tell me that one. Let's do 10 more on the flat. Get that 50. Fifth, 50 more for the 1,000. And this. Just keep pushing, man. Let's keep pushing. That's all I love and motivation here. But motivate at least one person today. That's a big accomplishment, you know. Up. All right. This is no joke. It's all motivation, man. All motivation. You already know. 15 more for the 1,000. Let's keep pushing. Pit bulls, yeah. A lot of pit bulls out here. More water. We get some more water. So motivation. I hear some people say they do 100 push-ups a week. Some do 100 push-ups a day. Hopefully, someone watch my stream, get motivated, step up their numbers. Maybe start to do even 200 push-ups a day or 150. Who knows? You know? It's our motivation, man. Contaminated water. Even the oxygen, yeah? Even the atmosphere with the oxygen is contaminated, yeah? Fresh air. It's another fresh air here, man. Pure. Fresh oxygen. So we're already over 1,000 push-ups. Let's keep working. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Avocados, guineps, pineapple, melons, mangoes. For 1,030 push-ups. You ready? Hey dog, go down and push up. Let's wait for it, man. Maybe today is the day, you know? Pour it a pata. That's good. over 1,040 plus push-ups already, man. You already know, if I can motivate at least one person for a stream, grateful. So you're welcome, it's all good. Rice and peas, beans, yeah, baked bean, yeah, pork, beef, mutton, goat meat, chicken, avocados, pineapple, banana, Jamaican cornmeal porridge. That's all, man. Used to be muscular than this, so we're trying to just sharing our journey, trying to get back on track. Because I used to be much muscular than this. Just one meal to gain a weight. The same rice and peas. It can be brown stew chicken, pork, or beef. If I can just eat rice and peas, that would be the go-to meal. Because you can look about it with Irish potato, carrot. I put a lot of cucumber, cabbage. Hella calories, a lot of calories and protein. Red meat is the strongest meat, man. Stay in your body much longer and more effective. But yeah, do I think pork is not really? I know it's not really I'll say a healthy meat. Raw vegetables are cooked. It depends. Cabbage and carrot. We don't cook those. We just cut them up. Cabbage and the carrot and the sweet potato. Sweet pepper. Just cut them up. Sweet pepper seasoning. Cut them up together. So yeah, raw. It depends on the vegetable. But cabbage and carrot, cut those up. Sorry, it's not good. Sardines. Yes, sardines are good just for one meal. It's pretty light, and you have to mix it with a lot of stuff. Mix it with some Irish, maybe some beans, some carrots, some cabbage, whatever. Cause it's a light food, you know. Light meat. Everyone just joining us, we already hit over 1,000 push-ups. So that's 1,100 plus, right? We ain't playing. Healthy food, yeah, it is. You know what's good to consume every now and then, like every other month? Some aloe vera. What I do, I'll cut up the aloe vera, put it in my water, let it soak for like 10 minutes, bitter, and then you drink it. That's good to purge your blood, keep your body active, fresh, healthy, no sweets. Too much sweets, not good. So it's good to consume some aloe vera now and then in your water. You can even eat it or chew it raw if you can. Oh yeah. Dog is always here chilling, watching me work out, you know? Always here. Up. Up. All right, so we have over 1,100 plus push-ups already. For everyone here now, if you wanna see me blaze, want me to blaze a fire, please vote. I'm gonna put up a poll right now. You vote. If you wanna see me blaze you guys call it bonfire. I'll get some wood. Got a lot of wood right here to burn. So just let me know. Just vote. All right. Yeah. Alicia Cohen. What's up? Said the only thing he's burning is ganja. Oh, yeah. Smoking's smoke. I'm not really a smoker. I don't smoke every day. But I just whenever I link up with friends or party and I'm feeling the vibe, yeah, I'll probably smoke one or two, yeah. I'm from Italy. Stefano, what's good? Alicia, what's up? Why do our dog think they're tough? I guess they're just showing their purpose around the yard, you know? Because no one wants a dog. I mean, at least me. Don't want a dog in my yard that's not active, you know? Yeah. Everyone just joined. We already hit over 1,000 push-ups. Right now we're just cruising. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know I only do triangle push-ups. Hit that thumbs up button if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. Yeah, for who just joining, we already hit over 1,000 push-ups. Right now we're just cruising. Let's get this. So we're on 1,200 plus push-up right there. No joke. Before I used to eat 6 to 5 meals a day. High calories meals. High calories. Pure beef, rice and peas, chicken, beans. Crazy amount of eggs. And some protein shake, whatever. I mean, I'm Jamaican, man. But now we eat, to be honest, I'll be honest with you, 4 meals. Just 4 meals a day now. Yes, if I were just joining us, we already hit over 1,000 push-ups. That's 1,200 plus push-ups already. Right now we're just cruising. We stream over here daily. Daily workouts at home. Homemade weights, push-ups, pull-ups, dips, you name it. Sharing the journey. Along the way, hoping to motivate, inspire. Y'all know that, man. As long as you put in that work, anything is possible, you know? Yeah, all right. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, you already know. 1,200 plus push-ups already. All of you, 28. Oh. $28, yeah. Let's vote. Place is getting dark. Thinking about lighting a big fire right here. Everything is already here. A lot of wood's set up. Just gonna light it. So let's vote if you want to see that in a bit. The one that's joining us already over 1,200 and plus push-ups. If I run, I used to run, but whenever if you want to lose weight, I recommend running. I don't do running. I do jumping jacks or skip. Not running. Yeah, because push-ups take more effort. Push down, no effort, man. That's why we push-ups. Yeah. Yeah, man. Old school, you already know. Oh. Yeah. No word, no gains. Everyone just join in. 1,000, almost 1,300. Yeah. Subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button. $1,200 plus push-ups. Almost 1,300. Work never stops, man. You already know. Religion, belief. Yeah, I believe that there's a creator for real. Definitely believe that there's a creator. That's the reason why I'm here. All right, let's switch this up. Yo, Louis, what's good? What's good, Louis? We're doing great, man. Alright, so today is our freestyle day. Subscribe. If you're new, hit that thumbs up button. So today's a freestyle day where we do a few thousand push-ups. I would do anything. So today is a push-up day, and Sundays we do crazy amount of push-ups. Yo, Patrick, what's good? Big up, big up. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah. Over 1,300. Stay hydrated, for real, for real. Dedication, determination. Can't anything that happened to us bad. Anything bad happened to you, you can't let it be a downfall or downgrade. Anything that bad happened to you bad, you have to let it motivate. I always have to let it motivate you. That's how it is. That's how you're gonna grow. You guys already know, man. I always put in some insane. The Bayanese don't even seem insane to me, but it's just to motivate, you know. All right, let's light the fire. There we go. There we go. Yeah, the fire up on the road. I know. Appreciate everyone. You already know, man. Yo, no mercy. What's good, Jay? What's popping, man? So yeah, today we did 1,300 plus push-ups, and we set a pole to vote and now burning a fire in the night, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, no mercy. What you doing, man? Yo, no mercy. I already know, man. Just got home to the kids. A movie, Deadpool, Wolverine. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Good stuff, man. How was it though? You enjoy that? Uh, Definitely sounds interesting, man. Deadpool and Wolverine. Two top movie for real. You see that fire inspire him to light his ash. Yeah, man. So we finished. We did 1,300 and I think 30 something push up earlier. So right now, yeah, we just was gonna light this until it burn out. I think then we just call it a hen for the stream. Alright, so we have come to the end of the stream for today. I don't know, man, if you all wanna. But yeah, man. So we almost did 2,000 push-ups today, but wanted to start streaming earlier, man. Unfortunately, we got caught up with doing some stuff earlier, so. But yeah, catch you guys another one tomorrow, alright? Peace out, man. Peace out, love you all.